Curious about the dashboard indicators and cluster display in the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado? But how do these symbols enhance your time on the road? This guide will explain everything you need to know. Interior view. The dashboard of the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado combines a modern digital display with intuitive controls, offering a driver-focused layout for enhanced convenience and connectivity. The instrument cluster features a fully digital display that provides clear, customizable information on speed, performance, navigation, and vehicle status. The LCD screen of the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado offers a high-definition, touch-enabled display that controls navigation, media, vehicle settings, and smartphone integration. The gear shifter in the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado is a console-mounted electronic lever with a PRNDL mode for gear control. The 2026 Chevrolet Colorado features dual-zone automatic climate control that allows both driver and front passenger to set individualized temperature settings with available heated and ventilated front seats. The steering wheel of the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado is a leather-wrapped, tilt-telescoping design with standard steering wheel-mounted controls for audio, phone, cruise control, and the configurable 11-inch driver information display. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators: driver seat belt reminder light, front passenger seat belt reminder light, airbag readiness light, charging system light, malfunction indicator light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, service electric parking brake light, anti-lock brake system warning light, four-wheel drive light, hill descent control light, lane keep assist light, automatic emergency braking AEB disabled light, vehicle ahead indicator light, pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light, electronic stability control light, electronic stability control off light, engine coolant temperature warning light, driver mode control light, tire pressure light, engine oil pressure light, low fuel warning light, auto stop indicator, security light, high beam on light, automatic high beam light, lights on reminder, cruise control light, adaptive cruise control light, door eyesore light, passenger airbag status indicator, front fog indicator light, trailer sway control light, second row passenger seat belt reminder lights. Safety precautions: know your symbols, immediate attention, don't ignore flashing symbols, stop driving for red warning lights, check manual for unknown symbols, regular maintenance, cluster awareness, don't distract yourself, low visibility of symbols, use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.